it's such a great deal, I have to have it. Or do you? I mean, how many pairs of designer jeans do you really need? Maybe 3. And how many black booties do you really need? Maybe 2, depending on the style, right? If you want good basics, the anniversary sale is a great place to get that. But if you want fun, colorful, bold pieces that are gonna make you stand out, then keep watching. Good, you're still here. I'm so happy to have you. If you're new to me, I'm Tracy Gold. I'm a personal stylist and designer, and I have been styling and designing for women just like you for well over 20 years. Now let's get started. I am not against basics. There is a time and a place, and it is a very important thing to have good basics in your closet. However, what I find is that we get stuck into a rut and keep buying the same things over and over again, and often replications of the very things we have. I mean, how many black t-shirts do you have? How many pairs of jeans do you have? How many white t-shirts can you really have? I mean, you know, it's okay, but it can get boring. Go into your closet before you buy a single thing at the anniversary sale. Go and take a look at your classics and your basics. Do they need replacement? If they do, then this is a good time to buy. If they don't, give it a skip. Number 2, what look do you want to create for fall? For the most part, the anniversary sale is really about giving you a preview of the fall collections and giving you a good price on them. However, for most of my clients that I speak to, they are not ready to think about their fall collections. It's my job as a designer and a stylist to start thinking about that for them, but they're not really giving it much thought. So you can get stuck into the trap of like, oh, I like that, I'm gonna buy that, but does it fit the look that you want to create? Now, if you're really unclear about the look that you want to create for fall, or even just your personal style as a whole, you can check out my new series, From Frumpy to Fabulous. And in the first episode, I actually talk about what look you want to create and how to discover that. I'll put that in the card above as well as in the description box below, so that'll help you. But essentially knowing what your personal style is and what look you want to create for the season is going to save you a ton of time and money. Number 3, once you have a clear idea of the look that you want to create, maybe you want to start looking for some really unusual pieces. It is true that the beginning of the season is usually the best time to get shopping because you have a nice variety of sizes. Often if you wait until it gets cold, the very things that you really want are not going to be available in your size. So start looking for things that bring in color. Maybe it's those statement pieces. Maybe it's actually pieces that mix and match together. Maybe you want to be nice and bold and maximalist and pair prints together. Whatever it is, keep an eye out for those things and start looking for them so that you can start curating a wardrobe that you love. Better yet, maybe you want to get some pieces that you can wear now and into the fall, and you can layer them up. That's going to give you the immediate like, yay, I get to wear this today, and hey, it still lasts me into the fall and I get to wear it for a longer time. Step out of the box that you usually shop in. So many times we shop the same places and look at the same things and somehow expect something different. This happens with my clients all the time. I take them shopping and I get them to try on things they normally would never try on, and we go to places they would normally never shop. But that's how you find something different. So maybe if there's a boutique that you've always walked past but have never walked into, now is the time. Maybe it's about some indie designers that you've always followed but have never quite pulled the trigger and bought something. Maybe now is the time. Of course, as in the big previous steps, if you have a clear idea of the look that you're wanting to achieve, it's so much easier to invest in those statement pieces that you're going to love for a very long time. And number 5 is to have fun with your look. Clothing is meant to be an outer expression of who you are. And so you can take some risks. You can have some fun and just experiment. Sometimes it's about going into your own closet and mixing and matching things differently. It's about going and seeing what's maybe there that you forgot about that still has tags on it. Or maybe it is about deciding to buy that statement piece you've had your eye on. Have fun with your look. It's just clothing, girlfriend, but the right clothing that represents who you are and makes you feel good about yourself is completely worth the investment because it's going to bring you so much joy and so much fun. So if you, like many of my clients, are stuck in a shopping rut, shopping the same places, buying the same things, and you want a change, but not sure how to make it happen, then I do offer one-on-one styling sessions both here in New York and online. I'll put the details in the description below. If you want to watch some more videos on how to create your personal style, then the next video is for you.